Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Techno Hacks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Roblox account. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to delete your Roblox account, the first thing to do is to make sure that you log into your Roblox account. Open up your Roblox application and make sure that you are logged in. From the main homepage of Roblox, go and tap on the three dots at the bottom right hand corner, and from the options, tap on Help. You'll be redirected to the help page of Roblox site. Now once you see this interface, tap on this I need help with my account option at the very top and scroll down until you find this option that says how do I delete my account. You'll be able to see some information about how you can delete your Roblox account. It says that you can use the support form of Roblox and write an appeal in order to delete your Roblox account. Simply tap on this support form link, and once you are taken to this site, go ahead and enter your username, your first name, your email address, and confirm your email address in the text box. Here I'm gonna type in my email address associated with my Roblox account. Once you type in your email, head over to the next field and reconfirm your email by retyping it again. Go ahead and select any option over here and give any region for now. And in the description of the issue text box, write in an appeal in order to delete your account. Once you are done filling in all of the details in this page, tap on the submit button in order to contact customer support to delete your account. That is the only thing you can do. You'll need to go through this verification puzzle, tap on verify and solve the puzzle over here. Do as it asks you, and once the request has been received, you'll be able to see this pop up. Tap on OK. Now you can wait for your email that will be sent from Roblox support. Once you receive the email, it will look like this. You'll now receive one more email from Roblox support. All you need to do is to simply wait for that email and you'll be able to delete your account for Roblox. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.